knowledge and rules. Get ready. The game is about to start. Drag forward with your left hand to move towards. Swipe the screen with your right hand to control where you're looking. Next, pick up the firearm. Pick up the ammo. There's the target. Tap right fire button to shoot. Congratulations on defeating your enemies. Check the crate. Pick up the scope. The enemy is too far. Use the sights to help you aim. Tap left fire button to shoot. You took them down. Nice work. Great work. Let's take a look at the rewards. Check the crate. Pick up the supply. Health recover. The bandage can only... The blue zone has appeared. Tap the map to check the blue zone. The flashing blue area. Tap the button to close. The play zone is about to shrink. Get to the play zone as soon as possible. You are taking damage from the blues. You've made it this far. Finish off the rest to claim victory. Congratulations on completing this training. Head over to the main lobby to claim your reward and test your skills in a real match.